for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies podcast YouTube channel. So the same way, I know a lot of people will comment on this particular story depending on your political arena. Baby, I will share politics mu Ghanaian political party no or join. Now answer the about to us on the subscribe and click the notification bell no and no and that screen so see. I'm sure this is our my latest news be about one side Ebeka. Yabeka said anti-corruption crusaders. Yenkuo bia wo modin self-explanatory. Wo mo yenkrofo bia ye base katahyehe ene proye sorry wo Ghana ha wo mo sorry etia no wo mo be expose o mo kasa efa ho na twese nkrofo hu se enyama bi se a ekoso no sebe katahyehe ene proye bi ehim na papa bi a ye friend Vitus Azim a former director of the Ghana Integrity Initiative. Now you can Ghana Integrity Initiative and also I think the name is self-explanatory. What you say, not just say, the integrity of things, no, and also ekasa efa. Now, what they say be able to do. Now, some work no. Was say send na first. One more painting Akufo-Addo extra Ghana for. Say, oh, Akufo-Addo there, where you're incorruptible. You can so be incorruptible la. Just say, sabi katasheshe ne proye there. Emfa ne puno anokra. Efa ne puno ano asenya ne bube fu a wo be pie na we tu egu no. O say send first MPP for a painting sa picture no etre Ghana for no sisi ade Ghana for nia ehu say sa ade no ntro. Now I have two different reports on this particular story. Now remember what in sema worker Manasseh Azori so you obi a Yabeka said Mahama time what to me a report 8 year Mahama pa wono nso akasa in the same and as the similar lane Endra Kwame A+ nso a video and I wono nso ekasa fa sansem ne ho A+ for the osisi sia ampo de MPP de pam no twam no oni MPP eni twaka bia biom na eno nso mekasa afa ho na ye ni ayehu nsema ekona first meko eye Vitus Azim nsema wakan no wase people voted because the president had promised that he was going to tackle corruption head on, so he raised our expectation. So in my observation, he has failed because he may be personally incorruptible, but he appoints people who do things wrongly, but he has not done anything about it, so he cannot be exonerated from blame. I think he has failed. Asema papa we eka and say nkrofo eto aba etia eye Mahama because womo mayetia ase say eba corruption there Mahama eba corruption there wono na oteso eba corruption there Akufo-Addo dabi one penny but wo hwe say Akufo-Addo abaso na the number of corrupt cases are abaso e wo Ghana ha say na Akufo-Addo ne appointees asebe womo di omuti ekoshe katahye any proyemu and at the aftermath of it ne krano na trese ensem eba abonten no wo sha eba corruption pan dia Akufo-Addo to me yi ne hu mfim na ehọ ne ebisa no say sebe say corruption cases bia ba eya na yehu say Akufo-Addo take action wo ma sebe nkrofo no suspend omo ebia official bi corruptor Akufo-Addo suspend sa official no o man nyama bi ekoso nti at least obi tinechi obeka say at least Akufo-Addo is taking actions on these corrupt activities and these alleged or supposed corrupt activities and papa ne yebisa no say something no the chair so say people are sacked, others are suspended, but what is really the basis? They are half-hearted measures that he takes, and that doesn't discourage anybody from engaging in corruption. I say yes aki ebimo ye suspend omo but sanyama we niano sebe emma wobi wo pese oye katahyehe ene proya emma sebe ni bakono wanga say we ntime nye because the bakono ni so ebia mekwa ko wia 1 billion and mekwa ko wia 1 million Ghana cedis na me ko wia 1 million Ghana cedis na Akufo-Addo betia de obeya ne so obesa akeme nti eno no me wia ska no boom because the Akufo-Addo beya ne so obe suspend me na obesa akeme and say wo be ma police for achimi atum nti no me wia me nim say me wia akọ nti eno ne nsema papa we eka also you see what is happening and you begin to question if they are serious actions or they are just taking it because people are making noise. If you decide to do something, then you have to do it seriously. why must it take him too long for him to get the lawyers and investigators to do their jobs? When in sama papa no a friend of Vitus Azim wode atudwa na etie for mesan so aba Manasseh Azori ono so nsema waka no wose wono Manasseh Azori se mobekaya Mahama time wono Manasseh Azori we expose a lot of rot sad and same G dan sema eba ni nia na Manasseh Azori G dan sad and sema MPP for the year campaign kese etia Mahama ema yeti asese Mahama no de wo ye corrupt oye incompetent no aha Manasseh Azori na ye say expose ni nia wose wa ye expose under Mahama wasanso ye expose under eye Kufuado no Manasseh Azori wo ka ne krepa wose ye ka ne krepa corruption akoso ewe Kufuado abemu no de Mahama elnto ye ba corruption pa trese wo hwe Kufuado just over 2 years presidency we dia bro Mahama ne 4 years and Mahama ne 8 years kra wo di ye no eno ne nsema Manasseh Azori so de betu dwa na saa time ne mekai na Omahene Kwabena Asante na ebise na Omahene Kwabena okaze Manasseh ye sure na Manasseh ka se Omahene asema me ka che no ne kre eno ne nsema Manasseh wode etu dwa na endra so Kwame A+ eba abonten de se me betu dwa se wonu A+ pa se sisia MPP because MPP mpanifo bi etumi frɛ no ekoye meeting etrese A+ asem a wo ken yesre wo de bra back to the MPP or say no A+. The MPP membership card a expire na wo pese wo hu eye John Buedu a wo ye MPP for general secretary na wo de card de man say monje na pa se meba MPP biom de na nka makwea ena nkofo bi wasem bi a wo moka say MPP de enye kra na enye NDC o MPP de yenim say enye be enye kra na enye NDC ena ndra A+ ka say hey Ghana for sebe sansemfo no wo munja eka wose sansemfo no de wo munja wote se ngrofo kasa de nka na ene ya na wono A+ no ene se nsem bi hihye nani ase ni we ya wo se wo ka ne kra ana Ghana for ase eto de bia na tribalism ene ne kra ne yenka nche ne yesi ye ka ne kra pa ne ye hwe and Kufuado corruption akoso a na nka obie ni wo beto aba ma Kufuado biom ene ne sema A+ embra wo de tu dwa o na A+ we na A+ ka se nkrofo bi te se MPP sebe nkrofo wo di bone te se MPP de won hie bi da na wo hwe Mahama time embra Mahama time Manasseh Azori A+ asemo ka embra Mahama time Manasseh Azori obe expose eye Ford gift na eye Mahama Ejifree eye Burkina Faso contractor bi ho no o since that same day no na chese Mahama ne mami ewu that same day ani mami wu yo that same day ena Manasseh Azori obe release this expose no na instead of Ghanaians to sympathize with their president because president ni mami ewu na wo di arewo no na fe Ghana fo ni age wo mu jubilate say Mahama corruption Ghana for forget say president kra said ni mami ewu a wo di arewo Ghana for to sansem no to baby that same day na Manasseh o release sa expose no nti ye kan wo bi asebe wa sofa ewo investigators and no obi a wa sofa ewo media nimu a na ke Mahama na akoye se Mahama de nsem bia ne ye kafa ne ho no worst things esi ewo Kufuado ne time mu but Kufuado de na ase ngofo a hyede bu omoni efiso na akoye se Mahama ne de sebe enye moja na enam nimu ene ne nsema endra A+ eba abontin ye be kan yo eno ne nsema A+ eba abontin be kan na A+ kan nsem we wie ye no ena Ghana ni bia wo Holland a ono de wo ye Facebook blogger wa magana fo ni ati asese wo no de wo ye MPP ni eye Kofi Nyako eba abontin ebe blasting Samie Wukumo eni MPP mpenifo asebe eye amofre A+ committee with A+ no o si A+ no munja no fa ne nsem nko no ni nyama pa bia wo ni adempo papa bia e magana fo eno ne nsem a Kofi Nyako ede ba abontin ede beto ho e magana fo enti wo hwe se ne nsem ekwa endra se bi hu list a wo bi che ba ne ba ko no NDC ni ena na nsem se ne NDC fo nso se ne wo bokasa no nsem bi wo ho a wo moka untumi fa nye news because we go say clearly politics na wo mo na wo list ye the number of corrupt cases and corruption saga akoso under Akufo-Addo na ohwa a dozen. It's when in some da wetie for mo nche mo comment box ni mo me da say